Bet you didn't know! You're supposed to be changing your home's furnace filter every 3 months. That's because all the dirt, dust, mold, allergens, and other contaminants your filter removes from the air accumulates, eventually blocking breathability and preventing your air filters from doing their job efficiently, worsening indoor air quality, and making your HVAC system work harder, costing you money on utility bills and shortening the life of your appliance. Here's how to keep your air filters filtering your air. Turn the unit off. Remove the new filter from its packaging. Open the unit's cover. Remove the old filter. Insert the new filter. Close the cover. Switch the unit back on. And if you learned something there, please like and share.